If you're looking to expand your business into another state, then you might have heard the term foreign LLC thrown around. But what exactly is a foreign LLC? Does it have to do with international business? Do you need one? And how do you start one? That's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly what a foreign LLC is, when you need one, and the steps to register your foreign LLC properly. Stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss all the important information that we have for you here today. Let's get right into it. But first, just wanted to put out a little disclaimer here. This is not tax advice. This is just for informational purposes only. Please consult an accountant or professional tax advisor to see what's right for your specific business situation. All right, first things first, a foreign LLC is a bit of a misleading name. It has nothing to do with businesses in other countries like the name might sound. A foreign LLC refers to a limited liability company that was formed in one state but is now doing business in another state. Let's say an example to make this clear. Let's say you start a laundromat business in Texas called Wash LLC. When you register in the state of Texas, you're a domestic LLC because Texas is the state that you registered in. Now let's say your business grows and you want to move west out to California. You want to get clients there, set up shop, and hire employees. Since your LLC was originally formed in Texas, but now you're going to be operating in California, you're required to register as a foreign LLC in California. Now this doesn't mean that you're creating a brand new LLC. It means that you're officially registering your Texas LLC to do business in California. If later you go to do business in Florida and New York, then you'll need to register as a foreign LLC in those states as well. But Texas will always be your domestic LLC because that's where you originally formed your company. So you might be asking, when do you actually need to file for a foreign LLC? You generally need to file for a foreign LLC when you're doing significant business in another state. This includes having a physical office or store in another state, hiring employees or contractors there, making regular sales or contracts in that state, and storing inventory or equipment there. Basically, if a state sees you conducting business within its borders, you need to register there, and if you don't, you could face some severe penalties, fines, or even lose your right to do business there. Now, a common question that people ask is, can I just form my LLC in a business-friendly state like Delaware and then just avoid registering anywhere else? The short answer is no, it doesn't work that way. A lot of people think that forming an LLC in Delaware automatically saves you money on taxes. That's why you always hear people say you should form an LLC in Delaware, Wyoming, Nevada, but here's the truth. Delaware is popular for big corporations like Amazon, Uber, and Facebook because it has strong business laws and no corporate income tax for businesses that don't operate there. But for small businesses, forming an LLC in the state of Delaware doesn't mean that you can just avoid taxes in the state that you're doing business in. Let's go back to the Wash LLC example for our laundromats. If you form your LLC in Delaware, but you're actually doing business in Texas, you need to still register as a foreign LLC in Texas and pay Texas taxes. And if you want more information specifically on this, we actually made a video called The Benefits of Forming Across State Lines that we'll be sure to have linked down below in the description so you can get more information on that. The bottom line is that your state wants its fair share of taxes, and they require businesses to register when they're operating within the border of that state. So how do you register a foreign LLC? It's a pretty straightforward process, but it varies from state to state. Here are the general steps though. Step number one is to check if you need a foreign LLC. Visit the Secretary of State website for the state in which you desire to do business in. They usually have clear guidelines there on when you need to register as a foreign LLC. Step number two is to just file your foreign LLC application. This is also called the Certificate of Authority in some states. You'll need to fill out a form with details about your existing LLC. Some of the information includes the following: your LLC's name, the state where you were originally formed, and the name and address of a registered agent in that new state. Step number three is to pay the filing fee. Every state has a different fee for registering foreign LLCs. Some are as low as $50, but others can be as high as a couple $100s. Step number four is to appoint that registered agent. A registered agent is just a person or business that receives legal documentation on behalf of your business. They generally have to be a resident of that state. And like I said, they can be an individual or a service that handles the paperwork for you. In a minute here, we'll talk about one of our favorite LLC formation services that actually includes a free registered agent service for 1 year, which like we said is a value of anywhere from $99 to $300 or $400 per year. So stay tuned for that. We'll talk about that in a minute here. And step number five is to file your annual reports and to stay compliant. Most states require LLCs to file annual reports or biannual reports and pay specific fees to maintain good standing in that state. But that's pretty much it. Once you're approved and your business is officially recognized to do business in that state, then you can be registered as a foreign LLC and you're allowed to legally operate there. Now, just quickly, we'll talk about one of our favorite LLC formation services, which is Northwest Registered Agent. We'll be sure to leave our exclusive link down below in the description of this video that will get your LLC started today for just $39. So if you're looking to register your foreign LLC in another state, state, you can go ahead and do that down below in the description. We really love Northwest Registered Agent and we recommend it to all of our friends. All right, quickly, let's recap and give some final thoughts here. Point one, a foreign LLC is not an LLC in another country. It's simply an LLC that's registered in one state, but doing business in another state. And you'll need to register a foreign LLC when you're operating in multiple states. And failing to do so can lead to fines or penalties. While forming an LLC in Delaware might make sense for big companies like Amazon and Facebook, most small businesses like the laundromat that we talked about are going to benefit from registering in your home state and then registering as foreign LLCs in whatever state they expand to. So if you're ready to register a foreign LLC, go ahead and click on that link down below to Northwest Registered Agent, and they'll streamline the process for you so you can save on all the headache of doing it yourself. They also ensure that you stay compliant so you can keep operating in that state without having to shut down your business because you didn't pay some certain fees. All right, guys, if you got value from this video, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this in the future. Like we said, we're going to leave all the resources that we talked about in today's video, like the link to Northwest Registered Agent, as well as some of the other videos that we have on the channel down below in the description. And if you do choose to use our link to Northwest Registered Agent, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free content like this for you. So thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. And lastly, guys, this channel is dedicated to educating new and existing business owners on the best platforms and tools to help you set up, manage, and optimize your LLC. So thank you guys so much for watching. We wish you the best, and we will see you back again very soon in the next video.